It's my great pleasure to host this event. Today, we gathered here to get some insights on AFS, that is American Field Service, yes, program Youth Exchange Study. Let's give a warm welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Sarin Alagarsamy, founder of Aro Group of Institution, Vice President AFS Chapter Madurai, as he takes the stage to share his thoughts, and we welcome Ms. Subbalakshmi. Join me to welcome them.
Happy Children's Day! That is awesome. Actually, I was a teacher before 5 years, yes. So every Children's Day I used to bring lot of gifts to my students. Today I was missing that I can't able to be with students. Fortunately, this event turned from a Wednesday to a Thursday. So I was very happy to be here, and thanks for the management to arrange this, and Lata ma'am and the principal for doing this. Okay. Yeah. You should clap. Fine. Why I'm here? Everyone is comfortable with English, right? That's awesome. I may sometimes get down also to ask you some questions. Okay. Why I'm here is, it is not a something like I'm going to sell you something, I'm going to sell you a course or something. I'm going to tell you what is the outer world is like. What the outer world is looking like. So it's very good. My parents are giving me everything. Yes. Even if they are not giving, my grandparents are giving me everything. Yes. The world is so good. But what happens once you come out of your college? What happens once you complete your grade 12? There will be so many questions, right? Yes. How many of you here want to become a doctor? Boys, very less hands. That's okay. Okay, thank you. How many of you want to become an engineer? Okay. I think the number of engineers turned out is getting less. I'm an engineer basically. Okay. I did my engineering at Tyagaraja College of Engineering. Okay, 2017 passed out. Fine. Who wants to become a lawyer? Good. Good. Who want to become a musician? Musician. Only one. Please give a big round of applause for her. Okay. Fine. Who want to become a magician? Magician. Oh, one. We have one. Good. That's great. Okay. Why I'm standing here and asking you this so many professions is, when I was in the school like this, I know only 3 to 5 professions. Engineer, doctor, advocate, police or IPS or IAS or something. Okay. And another one category. Okay. But how many careers you have, you can expect, which you can expect? Any counts? 10. Okay. 10, any higher number? There are 370 plus career opportunities which you can do after your 12th standard. Okay. Why I'm telling you in the sense, we being in India, Tamil Nadu, we are not getting enough exposure. Exposure to what? You all know this Instagram, right? How many of you use Instagram in your mother's or father's phone? Or you are even in your own phone? See? The number of engineers, doctors, advocate is very, very lesser. Yes? That's good. To that kind of exposure is what our AFS is giving you. What is AFS? We'll go with the PPT. So AFS is something which create you a ticket to be a global citizen. Okay. What is global citizenship? Anyone? What is global citizenship? The name itself is telling you everything. Yeah.
You can be 1 out of 8 billion people.
Yes, that's true. Now we have been labeled as Indian, right? We are all stick to the Indian. But what are we wearing? What are we using? I'm using an Apple phone, which is not coming from India. Maybe manufactured, but it's not coming from India. The camera which you are using is not coming from India. The Instagram, Facebook, all the apps which you are using is not coming from India. We are all using so many platforms across the globe, right? But we are staying in India. We are learning in India. We are working in India and we are passing our years in India. So this AFS will give you the wings to go out of India and to explore the opportunities. Okay, why you want to explore? How many of you is willing to stay out of your parents for 1 year? Ma'am, please know the hands and have a separate parents meeting for this students. I'm just kidding. No, it's just a joke. We are not going to do that. Why? Why you want to stay out of your home for 1 year? Get away. You can't say that directly like that, but still it works, yes. Because we can't be pampered, okay. We can't be always be with our mother and father. We need to have our own kind of life, okay. That's really good. Anyone, why you want to stay away from your parents?
They give money to
Oh,
mother.
they give money. Okay, we have an entrepreneur here. Okay, that's really nice, yes. What if I tell you, there's a chance that where you can be away from your parents for 1 year, where they'll give you money, as well as you can complete your schooling also in foreign, and you can come back here for your grade 12. That is the kind of opportunity where AFS is giving you. Okay? Before going into AFS, I am the volunteer of AFS. Okay, I am not a staff or someone from AFS. I volunteer myself to be a AFS person. Why I am volunteering? Because the things which I didn't have the chance to do, at least I can able to give exposure to the next generation. Do you know this Irfan? A YouTuber Irfan. This food reviewer. Yes? He is the alumni of AFS. He went to US on grade 11 and came back for his grade 12 here. Okay, there are so many alumni like that. Okay, do you know when this program started? In 1966. It was a very, very long program which is happening in India. Okay, before going into that, we'll see what is AFS is. We'll come back again for your questions and we'll see how you can get equipped with that. How many of you volunteer here for anything? It may be your school events, it may be your community events. Do you volunteer? AFS is a fully volunteered programs are there, where you can volunteer as a student, you can volunteer as a educator, you can volunteer as a alumni also. So yes, these are all the programs which is offered by the AFS. One is the study abroad program. Even at your grade 11, you can still go to Japan or US or Brazil, okay, which is fully funded for scholarship one, okay. But there are some criteria where some qualities you need to have before you get selected for that. And the next one is host. You can have a foreign friend in your home. Imagine you have a very big home. You have an extra room for one person. We can volunteer a person from US or German or Italy. You can have them in your home and school for 1 year. They'll be learning in India and they'll be going back after 1 year. That is hosting. Third is school. Do you know your school is a AFS school? How many of you know it? Your school is a AFS school, right? What does mean to be a AFS school? What is the use of it? Being in AFS school is you get the first priority among all other schools which is not included with the AFS. You are already a AFS school students. Okay, you are already a part of AFS. Next is volunteer. Like me, Sublakshmi ma'am, we are volunteering our time to be here, right? Where you can go out to the community. You can even equip the students who are wanted to become a great global citizen. Okay, next slide. Fine, this is a small timeline of AFS. It was started in 1914 during World War I as an ambulance service. That's why it is called as American Field Service. It is happening in the field, okay? But now it is not called as American Field Service. It is been called as AFS India, AFS USA, or wherever the locality is been projected. And in India, they have started around 1960, okay, which was, they started transferring the students. First it was happening on college, now it is happening in the school level. And now here we have been having more than 4,50,000 exchange students. Imagine every year we are sending 50 plus students from here to US. And they'll be completing their grade 11 there and they'll be coming back in grade 12. Even, I don't know whether one of your students is very ready to go there. You will be getting the announcement very soon. 800 plus volunteers in India, from academicians, from educators, from school owners or from NGOs in various sectors, and it is in 70 years of existence we are here in India. Now this is a very important slide which I want you to concentrate. There are two kinds of programs in AFS. One is short-term program, another one is long-term program. Short-term program is 3 months and 6 months. Long-term program is 11 months, where you will be away from your home. Okay? So, how many of you are willing for a short-term program? So, I can be only away for 3 to 6 months. How many for the long-term? Okay, so many peoples. That's why we are here. We want to identify you. And I'll tell you again, this program is not for everyone. I'm not discriminating through the marks. Put your hands down. Even if you're getting 40 marks, 50 marks, still you have time to improve. But this is not about the marks. Okay. Then in what selection criteria we are doing this? Any idea? With the money? With the number of homes? Number of cars in your homes? No. It is purely the merit basis. How you are handling yourself. How you are taking care of yourself. How you are behaving with others. These are all some of the things which we take care very much in AFS. Okay. So this is the program where the host was talking about. So we have 4 programs here. One is AFS S program, which if you got selected, you will be named as the ambassador, the cultural ambassador of India. Do you know who is doing this? The embassy of US. I don't know whether you know it or not. Getting a US visa is very, very tougher. Very tougher. But if you got selected in this program, the US consulate will give you visa without any second question. That is the power of AFS volunteership which you have. Okay? Yes. What do you do in this S program? Okay? You will be spending 11 months in AFS school in US. And you will be getting a new family which is called as a host family, where you will be living in their homes for 11 months. Okay, how will you manage the flight tickets and everything? It's everything is a scholarship one. Okay, and as he was saying, right, you will be getting paid to do this. Around of $220 per month. Okay, but is that easy to get it? No. It is one of the most toughest process. You have around 8 to 9 steps to get this scholarship. Okay, and the next one, the STEM program. Is the first 4 letters are very familiar to you, right? STEM. What is STEM? Mathematics. So what it does is, it's a 4 months program where you will be doing a 3 months of online course, and 1 month you will be traveling to any one of the foreign countries. It may be from Brazil or US or German, depends upon the availability. And cracking that program is also very, very tougher. Okay, why it gets tougher? What are the qualities you need? Any idea? Sir, do I need English? Yes, you need English because you're going to survive in a US state, right? Yes, you need English. Good communication is very, very important. What is the next one? The creativity. Yes? See, do you know dosa? Dosa enna pannalam? Vattamam uttalam illaya? But if you go to most of the shops, how they give it in you? In a triangle basis. That's a creativity, right? You can make a small Mickey Mouse face on it. That is creativity. That creativity is very, very important to get selected in this kind of programs. And most of you are taking your annual exams very, very lightly, right? Your grade 8, grade 9 mark sheets. That talks very much here. Yes, that is very, very important. I'll tell you the story. After I completed my engineering, I was applying for a very big company in Bangalore. Okay, it was a salary of minimum of 60 to 70,000 in 2018. It's a very big money at that time. Okay, do you know why I got rejected? I completed my grade 10 at 2011. I am applying this company for 2018, 7 years back. No one told me that the company will be seeing your grade 10 marks. Because my grade 10 marks was very less, even though I had a very good CGPA at my college, I got rejected because of my grade 10 marks. Do you know what is the percentage? 1.3. It was 1.3% lesser than what is required to get into the company. But in 2011, no one told me, Sharan, please be very careful. In 2018, I went to the future and saw back that this 1.3% is very, very important. Why I'm saying you this, in AFS, your application will be dropped out because of this 1%. Do you know how many students we send for US program, this AS program? Only 50 to 55 per year. But do you know how many applications we got this year? Any guess? Multiply into 4 to 5. That many applications we are getting every year because of the social media, the awareness, the campaigns which we do like this. The students are getting awareness by that. Okay? So please start counting your marks. Only the marks? No. What is the next thing comes into? Your co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Don't write your hobbies anymore like reading books, listening to music, dancing. Dancing is good, listening to music is good. But will it give you a good portfolio? No. Do you know what is the world is expecting? If a student is coming out of grade 12, they should have their own app, own website, yes, own kind of portfolio. That is what AFS is also expecting. The third one is GCC Team. That's one of the amazing certification program which is called as Global Competence Certificate. It's called GCC. Once you do it, you will understand what is global citizenship is all about. And the fourth one is Asia Kayakeshi program, which is hosted by the Japanese government. You will be spending 6 months in Japan. Does anyone knows Japanese here? Even a small, to write your name in Japanese, you know it? Then you have a chance to go to Japan for 6 months for free. When I say free, don't mention it, don't think that it's fully free. It's been scholarship by the Japan government. But for that, what you need? You need to know Japanese. Like when you want to go into US, you need English. So that is, the previous slide is all about the scholarship program, where you need your skill, your merit, your kind of, how to say, you need to put all your work into it to get that scholarship. The competitions are very heavy. Radha ma'am knows it because she has been in this process for last 6 to 7 months. She has been traveling to Chennai, seeing peoples. Okay, she knows how heavy the competition is getting every year. And the most beautiful thing is, this is the third year where we are sending one student from our Madurai chapter. So which is a very great thing. Imagine, you can clap for Madurai. I mean for the Madurai chapter and the Madurai peoples. I'll tell you, imagine a student goes from Cholamandan to the New York. What is the life of the child will change? How the life of the child will change? நம்ம இங்கே சென்னை போனாலும் என்ன ஆகுது? All our dressings, all our attitude is getting changed, right? I can assure you, you're all looking same in this uniform. If you're giving you the opportunity to come however you want, I can see so many very good peoples coming out in your own dresses, right? Our attitude changes, right? With our dressings, okay? Like that, every year, and all the three is a woman. That's even more a great thing, okay? Which is a very great thing that the parents are also in open-minded to send the students to the US for 11 months. And these are all the paid programs. You can go to Denmark, Spain, Turkey and Brazil, okay, which is a non-scholarship programs where you can spend around 3 to 4 months there, okay. You'll be going to the schools, you'll be traveling to the places like monuments, like galleries and parks, and you'll be learning how the community is working there. Do you know what is the minimum cost of each program is? Minimum 6 to 11 lakhs. In the previous slide, I was mentioning you the US program, right? The S program. It's a fully funded one. But the minimum cost involved for that scholarship is minimum of 30 to 35 lakhs. But that's been fully scholarship for you by the AFS only if you're getting eligible.
இனி சர்வதேச கல்வி சாமானியர்களுக்கு Kalvi Group of Schools